We get a lot of samples here at Goody Reader. More so than we know what to do with. At the end of each video, we'll give the item away. This is Unboxing ePaper. You know, I gotta apologize to all of you. Because the last couple devices haven't been ePaper. And in hoping that today's device is ePaper, I'm wearing some ePaper goggles. So I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera line. I blame my team, honestly. I blame the team because, well, even though they have no responsibility, and this is my segment, but I still blame you guys. So know that. However, I hope to God today's sample is ePaper. But you guys are getting stuff for free either way. So I'm going to think, you know, we've been getting, what we do, if you guys don't know, is we've been doing this segment for like 20 episodes, and we just pull stuff, or I have my team pull stuff at random in the stuff we just get every day. It could be a Chinese SIM card, it could be a calculator, and for the most part it has to have some relevancy to this segment, but you know, it's free stuff, so let's just all stop complaining. You guys aren't complaining, I'm just joshing. Hit me with it today. What do you guys got? I am on pins and needles to see what that is. That looks like a cell phone box. And it's not even packaged. Okay, well, give it. And that was a tall one. That was risky. This thing is not taped. That was so risky. What is this? Servo. This is a cell phone. LCD screen. You guys are killing me. Okay, the next video we do, we have to bring in something ePaper. Okay? Like, seriously. Okay, everyone. This is the Servo. This is a LCD phone, it looks like, and it is the MTK running a 32 megabit running memory and 32 megabit machine memory. I don't know what any of that means, but let's get into it. The Servo. The Servo A50 Pro, which is also called, as it says, the MTK, so I'm not sure where they're going with that. Oh, what on earth is this? Is this fake? This looks fake. This honestly looks completely fake. Okay, it's, oh my goodness. It says FM. It's folding. This is a folding phone. Move over, Samsung Galaxy. Oh my goodness, guys. 3 cameras on the back. What's up? This feels way too light, man. I have my, this is creaky. I have my doubts if this is even real. Let's turn this on. Oh my god. That has to, well, faster than the, okay, insert 2 SIM cards. Wow, look at that. All right, well, let's see what we got here. Menu, is it touchscreen? Oh, it's not. Okay, they missed the mark there. We have phone settings, profiles, call settings, display settings, security settings, and connectivity. Dude, this is a dual SIM. All right, this is something right here. Fun and games. What do we got? F1 race. Oh, don't even begin. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Oh, I can move forward. Okay, I'm gonna crash, see what happens. Boom. Wow, that's like, that wasn't fun at all. And we have, oh wait, that was the only game. Fun and games, and we have F1 race or games setting. Okay. Let's see if we have any Google Play on here. We have messages, we have file manager, tools. What we got under tools? Alarm, Bluetooth, calculator, calendar, power management, STK. What is STK? Oh, so SIM compatibility. Oh man, you know what? Hey, wait, where's the camera? If that has tools, is it under multimedia? Image viewer. Is that camera? Not enough memory. Okay, well that just kind of shut me down. File manager, phone. Okay, how do you turn the camera on? Oh my god. That is the worst camera I think I've ever seen. Switch to camera. Okay, and I believe you can switch in between a couple of these lenses because there's 3 lenses on there. We have video settings and video recorder settings. We have anti-flicker, 60 hertz, 50 hertz. Okay, well that's giving me something. Oh my goodness, that's awful. Look at that. That's, yeah, you know, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Sound recorder. But you know what? That's a lot of technology for just a small little package right there. This can't be expensive. This feels really cheap. Let's put it on screen if we can find what this is exactly. Oh, look at that. As you open it, it gives you certain light indicators. Battery light, mail light, and phone. Well, you know, there's no touchscreen, so you can't accidentally interact with it. It's got an FM receptor. But, you know, honestly, this is pretty bad in today's standards. I mean, no one's going to use this, but all things considered, you know, it's in a pinch. If you needed something that prospectively has a ton of battery, because there's not a whole lot weighing this down. And if you needed something to just make calls, I mean, it's kind of nicely ergonomic and it's fun to open and close. And I hope closing it actually ends the call. That'd be pretty pimp. But overall, you know what? I'm not entirely mad at this thing existing. In terms of aesthetics, honestly, it looks from the outside like it could be something you would see at an electronics shop. But then on the inside, it looks like a Motorola from 2004. The buttons are awful, and it's overly light and feels cheap once you have it in your hands, so it gets a 3 out of 5. The use of this device is horrid. Off camera, we did make a phone call, so it does as advertised, but it doesn't have any apps, it doesn't have a touchscreen, and the only physical button on the outside is dedicated for a flashlight. Although we'll give it an extra point because it does have an SD card slot, USB-C onboard audio with a headphone jack, so it gets a 3 out of 5. The cost of this unit is astronomical. Astronomically low. It's $20. For $20, gun to your head, to have a phone that fits in any pocket of your jeans that can make calls, it's honestly surprising to me how cheap they can get a piece of technology, so it gets a 5 out of 5. In the end, is the Servo a good phone? Well, that's subjective. It makes calls, so it's a phone, but no, it's not. Other than that, it's just pretty low quality any way you look at it. In fact, the only place we can see this thing really shine is the moment you whip it out of your pocket. You can really trick someone into thinking you have something pretty space-aged, until 3 seconds pass and they realize it's an AliExpress special, which it is. Well, girls and boys, it ended up not being ePaper, but a folding phone, even though it's not a folding screen. We didn't say it was a folding screen, said it was a folding phone. First 50 comments is going to be entered into the contest. If you want to stop by and just leave a comment, then just say I'm not interested in the contest, I just want to comment. But the first 50 comments are going to be in the draw for the contest after we siphon through all of the fake accounts, the bot accounts. Either way, you guys are great. Thank you for always stopping by. And if you guys want the Servo, you guys gotta stop with this stuff, man. I do leave it to the team to pick the things, but it is kind of their fault that they're not picking ePaper. I'm just gonna say, this is fun to do, honestly. It gives me an excuse to come in and just kind of goof around. But yeah, Servo's your guys. Just ship it off directly to you for free.